I'm Amanda May. Cartel Coffee Lab opened in 2008 by our owners Jason and Amy Silberschlag. They're really great, beautiful human beings. They just really wanted a collective community space for people to come in and enjoy something that they're passionate about. And we roast all of our coffee here in Tempe, Arizona. I have been with Cartel for about 3 years now. I am the Culinary Manager. So essentially what I do is I go through and create menus. Right now we're doing seasonal baked goods menus, some ready to eat foods, bring in other local collaborations that we can do on the culinary front, just sort of manage all the ins and outs of all things food at Cartel. We were able to orchestrate a full-fledged Dine In Playbook for all of our employees to follow, each of our locations to follow. The number one thing is lending an ear and hearing people out and gauging everybody's comfort level. So really another beautiful thing, I think, born out of the pandemic was the Give Back blend. It was stay home, give back. So if you did an online order, that was really the only place you could buy this coffee was in our online store. And we selected a nonprofit. Usually every month or so we would rotate through. So we'd find a new nonprofit to give sales back to. And it was 10% of the total sales from that bag in that period of time that we would give that to the selected nonprofit. Supporters that we worked with was Halo Dog Rescue. I adopted my dog there and I thought it was very special. So we were able to donate several hundred gallons of cold brew, want to say around 400 gallons of cold brew to local hospitals. Even our owners and their kids were in our major cold brew facility here in Tempe, filling up just gallon jugs of cold brew coffee and taking it to a couple of the local hospitals and just sharing it with our frontline workers, making sure that they were fully caffeinated through their long hours and give them a little taste of Cartel and show our appreciation and do what we could there.